Backline, fstab is deprecated. So what replaces it to prevent a partition from mounting? If fstab is deprecated in line, and before, I think. How does one, properly, prevent a partition from mounting on system boot? This is loosely related to this question which as of this post has no answer. Edit. So my confusion comes from reading about fstab and being told to edit, /etc/fstab.hd. So /etc/fstab is what I need to create and where I add UID info to prevent partitions from mounting.
Neither man fstab nor man disk arbitration. See here for example, mention deprecation of /etc/fstab. It's not there by default, but why should it be, if it just were empty because the defaults are good? It's there if you need it. Claims of deprecation of fstab has been floating around the web for some time now. From here, etc/fstab is deprecated in Leopard. From here, I was going to suggest editing the /etc/fstab file, but apparently that was deprecated in Leopard, and is probably now removed from Snow Leopard. Apart from the fact that there is no mention of deprecation in its documentation, why would Apple add utilities for properly editing deprecated configuration files? Quoting, man vs. While the following program runs, infinite loop, Ctrl+C to quit, no disk will be mounted. With proper conditions you can control it more fine-grained of course. Save as main.c and compile using the following. You need developer tools.
There is no need to run programs or worry about where fstab is located. Just run sudo vs and add the appropriate lines to the file. Mine is Make sure you know how to modify and save a file in Vim. Vim Tutor will teach you the basics. ps/private/etc is actually the same as /etc. OSX processes the URL internally. This is explained in API documentation, although I still don't understand why.
Since I have same problem, and haven't found any reasonable solution for this, I've wrote little launch daemon service that prevents mounting of volumes with specified labels. Here it is, this URL.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.